If you are wanting to spiritually develop and start opening up aspects of yourself that hitherto you've just ignored, one of the key skills you need to have is how to clear your space. Because in your energetic space, you may have old hurts, resentments, pain. You may have energies you've picked up from other people during the day. So in this session, I'm going to teach you how to clear your space. Having done it with me now, you can repeat this whenever you wish, and you can also do it in your own time. You can do it several times a day if you need to. And if you need to do it several times a day, then let's start questioning whether you're in the right relationship or whether you're in the right work environment. If you have to clear your space a lot, it could be something on a physical level needs addressing. So, first things first, just close your eyes and bring your awareness inwards. I'm going to give your brain, your thinking brain, something to do. I want you to imagine that at the base of your spine, about hip width size, could be a bit bigger, could be a bit smaller, you visualize a golden ball, a golden sphere of light. And then visualize a similar sized golden ball of light at the center of the earth. Then connect the two with golden light so that it forms a golden tube of light. Take a moment to make sure the golden tube is very securely affixed around the base of your spine. And then take a moment to check it's very securely affixed at the center of the earth. You've now created, using imagination, a grounding cord. Now, in reality, we do have a grounding cord that connects us to the earth, but it looks nothing like this. We're just using imagination because this is a very quick way to activate the grounding cord. Now, keeping your eyes closed, I want you to imagine that your fingers are longer than they actually are. I want you to imagine psychic fingers which are twice the length of your physical fingers, and they're made of white light. And with your eyes closed, what you're going to do, you're going to start at the top of the head, in the space above the head, and you're gently going to sweep these white light fingers down through the space above your head and then down through your crown. And as these white light fingers go through your energetic space, they pick up almost magnetically any grey, black or sticky or congealed energy. Then you take these fingers and you imagine inserting them into the grounding cord. And as they get surrounded by the golden light, all the dirt, all the blackness, all the grey just simply gets released. It's like there's a magnet on, drawing the stuff out of your space, magnet off, releasing it to earth. Now, if it helps, you can actually move your physical hands through your space as you do this. If that isn't helpful, then just using imagination, imagine your spirit arms reaching up and doing that same technique. Okay, so let's take a few moments to do this now. Okay, so with your eyes closed, because you want to switch off external distractions, you imagine your fingers twice as long as they are physically, and you imagine them made of white light. And it's like they're magnetic. As they sweep through the space above your head, they pick up any dirt, any residue, as they go down through your crown, your eyes, your nose, the ears, the back of the head. They're picking up whatever needs picking up. Now, when you feel they're full, imagine putting them, you might need to crouch down, to put your hands in that golden channel of light. And as you do so, everything's released. It's like the magnet is switched off and everything is released. The golden light draws everything down to the earth. Now, don't worry about this darker energy going and contaminating the earth. It won't. Gaia's consciousness is way, way beyond ours. And it's only perceived as dark energy within our space because of our beliefs and our experiences. Gaia perceives it all as energy, and it gets transmuted accordingly. So, keep on going down through your body, down through your neck and your shoulders. Shoulders are where we store energies around responsibilities we've put on our shoulders or others have placed on us. Right the way down, clear your arms, put it all down the tube again. And then work on the torso, the chest, your internal organs, heart, lungs, liver. You can take as long as you like for this or as little time. Again, putting it down the grounding cord. Make sure you get your back. Use your hands at the back area. Don't miss that space right between your shoulder blades. And send it all down to the earth. Now, as you start doing this, it will get easier and easier because your consciousness, your body's natural intelligence, is going to realize, this is what they are wanting me to do. And so it will get easier as you work your way down your body. Pay particular attention to the stomach. That's where we store deep-seated emotions. You may need to spend extra time there. There may be energies to release around the genitals. Then go into your hips, go through the buttocks, the thighs, the knees, all the way down. Your feet, make sure everything is nice and clear. Now, if when you've done that, you're not sure that you've got absolutely everything, what I then do is I imagine that I've got a handheld shower, like you'd use for washing your hair, bent over a sink, one of those, and I imagine that it sprays out golden light. And I start with it at the top of my head, and I let the golden light wash out through me, straight down to the cord. Anything that looks dark, it just all washes out, all the way through. Now, if you've never done anything like this before, the first time out, this could take you 15 minutes. Once you're in the habit of doing this, it may only take you 2 or 3 minutes. Once you've done that, once you've cleared your whole energetic space with your fingers, once you've cleared your whole energetic space with that golden shower of light, then open your eyes and notice how you feel. If you feel nice and clear and alive, you're ready then to begin some spiritual work. More about that in another clip of film.